Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to identify linked objects in your Google Drawings. If you go to the Tools menu and you find linked objects, what this will do is on the side of that drawing, it will open up a little menu or a little list of all the linked objects in that Google drawing. Now you'll notice nothing shows up right now because at the moment this Google drawing does not have any linked objects. But it's pretty easy to add one. If I go to Insert and I pick Chart, I'll just pick one, insert a line graph. This is now considered a linked object. So now if I open up linked objects, this will show up. And what this means is that this object is linked to an outside source and may automatically update in my Google drawing if that outside source updates as well. All right, so one of the options here is you can unlink it so it'll stay the same no matter what. If you open the source and change the source, so if I open this source file and I change one of the numbers in here, well, let's make it an obvious one. Let's change this 12 to something like 82. All right, so notice that the graph just quickly changed there. All right, and when I go back, I have this little option to update. So now I update based on the new source data. So if your Google drawing contains information which is actually coming from other live data, it might be beneficial for you to know what objects or elements in your Google drawing that description applies to, so that you can go back and check the source data, see if it needs to be updated, something like that. So Google Drawings makes it pretty easy to check to see which, if any, objects in your Google drawing might be linked to some outside source.